Have you ever walked into a gym and felt completely lost, staring at all those intimidating weights while everyone else seemed to know exactly what they were doing? You're not alone. And today I'm going to give you the complete roadmap that will transform you from a confused beginner into someone who walks into any gym with confidence and purpose. Most people think weightlifting is just about picking up heavy things and putting them down, but that couldn't be further from the truth. There's actually a science behind it. And when you understand these fundamental principles, you'll see results faster than you ever imagined possible. But here's the thing that nobody talks about. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't starting with weights that are too heavy or too light. It's something completely different that I'll reveal in just a few minutes. Before we dive deep, let me ask you this. What if I told you that the way you breathe during your lifts could be the difference between injury and incredible gains? Or that the order you do your exercises matters more than the exercises themselves? These aren't random tips. These are game-changing principles that separate those who see real progress from those who struggle for months without results. Let's start with the foundation that everything else builds upon. Progressive overload. This isn't just about adding more weight to the bar every week. True progressive overload means gradually increasing the demands on your muscles through various methods. You can add more weight, perform more repetitions, complete additional sets, or even slow down your movement tempo. The key is consistency and small incremental changes that your body can adapt to over time. Think of your muscles like a student learning a new subject. If you throw advanced calculus at someone who hasn't mastered basic math, they'll fail miserably. But if you gradually increase the difficulty, they'll master each level and progress naturally. Your muscles work the same way. Now here's where most beginners go wrong, and this is that crucial mistake I mentioned earlier. They focus on isolation exercises instead of compound movements. Picture this scenario. You could spend an hour doing bicep curls, tricep extensions, and calf raises, or you could perform squats, deadlifts, and pull-ups and work multiple muscle groups simultaneously while building functional strength. Which approach do you think will give you better results? Compound movements are your secret weapon because they recruit multiple muscle groups, burn more calories, improve coordination, and create the hormonal response necessary for muscle growth. When you perform a proper squat, you're not just working your legs, you're engaging your core, stabilizing muscles, and creating a full-body movement pattern that translates to real-world strength. But technique trumps everything else. And this is where patience becomes your greatest ally. I've seen countless people load up the bar with impressive weight, only to perform movements that look more like interpretive dance than proper lifting. Poor form doesn't just limit your progress, it's a direct path to injury that could set you back months or even years. Every rep should be performed with intention and control. Lower the weight slowly, pause briefly at the bottom, and drive up with power while maintaining perfect alignment. Your ego might want you to lift heavier, but your future self will thank you for prioritizing form over impressive numbers. The breathing pattern during your lifts is another game changer that most people completely ignore. Before you begin each rep, take a deep breath and brace your core as if someone was about to punch you in the stomach. This creates intra-abdominal pressure that stabilizes your spine and allows you to generate more force. Exhale forcefully during the most challenging part of the movement, typically the lifting phase. Rest periods between sets aren't just downtime. They're strategic recovery windows that directly impact your performance. For strength development, rest 2 to 3 minutes between sets to allow your nervous system to recover. For muscle growth, 1 to 2 minutes keeps the metabolic stress elevated while still allowing adequate recovery. Your workout frequency and recovery are equally important as the training itself. Muscles don't grow during your workout. They grow during recovery when your body repairs and adapts to the stress you've placed on them. Aim for 3 to 4 training sessions per week, ensuring you have at least 1 full day of rest between sessions targeting the same muscle groups. Sleep becomes your most powerful recovery tool. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone and performs the cellular repair necessary for muscle development. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and you'll notice improvements not just in your recovery, but in your energy levels and motivation to train. Nutrition fuels your progress, but it doesn't need to be complicated. Focus on consuming adequate protein, roughly 1 gram per pound of body weight, spread throughout the day. Combine this with complex carbohydrates for energy and healthy fats for hormone production. Hydration plays a crucial role too, as even mild dehydration can significantly impact your strength and endurance. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and allows you to make informed adjustments to your program. Record the weights you use, sets and reps completed, and how each workout felt. Take progress photos and measurements rather than relying solely on the scale, as muscle weighs more than fat. Here's your action plan to start immediately. Choose 3 compound movements like squats, push-ups, and rows. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions with perfect form. Focus on the mind-muscle connection, breathe properly, and rest adequately between sets. Do this 3 times per week with at least 1 day of rest between sessions. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who refused to give up. Your journey starts with that first rep, and each workout builds upon the last. Stay consistent, trust the process, and in just a few months, you'll be amazed at the strength and confidence you've developed.